really important for a company like us to get our team out of the office and get them together. It builds new relationships, gives people different challenges which they're not used to having in the office every day. It's not the first time we've been here, but today we're doing some climbing, we're doing some abseiling, but also previously we've been here and had a very successful archery event. So one of the great things about Rock UK is that it caters for all different abilities, so we can bring any members of our staff here and they can all enjoy themselves and all get involved.